In this video, we're going to look at the various ways you can create variants in the PIM. There are two ways that you can do this. One is you can either do it using within the product itself, uh, this add edit function, creating your variants, or you could actually equally use a template uh, that you could select and then edit. In this instance, I'm going to show you how to create the variant templates. And then we're going to, in the next video, we're going to show you how you can use them within the product itself. So the first area that we're going to do is navigate down to admin. And under this, you'll see a variants options tab. You can see within my system, in my demo examples, I've got various options that I can use as templates. So I've created one. It's a swatch. It's got a series of things that I've entered. I've got dress sizes here. I've got shoe sizes with the values that are there. These are the ones that be used within the system. Ratings, strength, different types. So variants can be anything to anyone. In this instance, a selection of all dress sizes globally, showing sort of the UK, EU, Australia, US type different sizes that you'll see in different areas. So the first thing that we're doing is we're going to look at just creating some test ones based on our fashion. I want to create a one that's called size, and then I want to create a second one that's going to have two colors in it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is create those variants. So just add a variant option. We're going to call this color. We've got a number of options, a rectangular list, going across, a classic drop down, could be radio buttons, or could be swatch. If we look at this for example is an example of a rectangle. This is a swatch in rectangular format. So this is swatch type area. So in this instance, I'm going to just create a rectangular, or I'm going to do a swatch. I can change this, but I'm just going to add some values. Now there are two elements to this. One is the actual value that you want to display. So in this instance, you can see, if I go to our customer portal, for example, we've got a cashmere crew neck jumper. It's honey, ginger, and medium. So effectively, this is changing to khaki and medium. So it's taking whatever those elements are that I've created within the options. So going back to my option, the two that I want to create is red. Now, SKU configuration, you can actually configure within the system, what a part number looks like for a variant. So in this instance, I'm just going to key in red because I want red to appear in the part number. I'm going to give it another option. In this instance, I'm going to call it royal blue. So we'll just go royal blue, and we'll call this royal blue. But this could be anything basically. Then we'll put a do, and then we've might want to add just another option just to show how we're going to use this in the system. So black, well, could be a code, could be BL, could be whatever, ACK. So that's the first thing. We'll save that down. The next thing, if I wanted to go in and edit it or delete it or whatever, I can do that. You also can see we've got some form of ordering that's going on here. So I want this one to appear first, this one second, and this one third within when it comes in. And we'll just save that down. So the next one that I'm going to do is a size test. This is, let's say, a jumper size. So we'll call this just size test. Let's just call this so we know what we're going to be selecting. Test. Okay, this is going to be a rectangle list. It could be a drop down or whatever. I can change these at any time. So in this instance, we're just going to use, standard UK dress sizes, or so value is 6. I want the SKU configuration to look at it as some form of consistent numbering. 10. And add the variant 12. So we've created some options for this. So we save that down. So this is a simple example of how you can create variant option templates to be used within the variant options under a product, which we'll cover next in the next video.